Hapi Invest app. The pros, the cons. Hapi Invest is an investing app designed to simplify investing for everyday users, but is it really worth your time and money? Starting with the pros. First, automation. Hapi Invest allows you to set up recurring deposits and automated portfolio allocations, which means your investments grow steadily without constant attention. This is ideal for beginners or anyone who prefers a hands-off approach. Second, easy to understand interface. The app is intuitive, with clear charts and portfolio breakdowns that make tracking your investments straightforward, even if you're new to investing. Third, educational resources. Hapi Invest offers insights and tips to help users understand the basics of investing, from risk management to diversification. Now, the cons. One limitation is limited investment options. Hapi Invest primarily focuses on ETFs and pre-built portfolios, so you can't pick individual stocks if you prefer a more customized approach. Another drawback is fees. While competitive, the management fees can slightly reduce returns over time, especially on smaller accounts. The surprising truth? Most people underestimate how consistent small contributions add up over time. Hapi Invest makes it easy to build wealth gradually, even with modest investments. In conclusion, the pros: automation, user-friendly design, and educational features make Hapi Invest a solid choice for beginners or anyone looking for a simple, hands-off investing experience. The cons: limited investment choices and management fees suggest that more experienced investors might want additional platforms for greater control.